Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Learning Korean isn't just about memorizing words and grammar rules. It's about understanding the little things, the small details that make your Korean sound natural, accurate, and confident. So, in this video, we are tackling three tiny Korean words that trip up almost every beginner. That is 지금, 방금, and 이제. So all of these three words, they all relate to now, but each has a different nuance, and that's where many learners get stuck. So don't worry about it, and let's break them down and clear up all the confusion once and for all. So let's go. So here comes the first word that we are going to talk about in this video, 지금. 지금, as some of you already know, it means now or right now or at this moment. So the basic translation of 지금 in English is now, but it can also mean right now or at this moment. So basically, it indicates the present time, what you are doing at this very moment, what is happening right now at the present time. That can be indicated using this word 지금. Let's look at these two examples. I am studying Korean now. So you want to say that at this very moment or right now you are studying Korean. 저는 지금 한국어를 공부하고 있어요. I is 저는, Korean is 한국어. To study, 공부하다, and when you're talking about the present continuous tense, then it becomes 공부하고 있어요. Now you have to say, I am studying Korean now, at this moment. So for that, you're going to use 지금. Let's look at the next example. I am very tired right now. So, right now, at this very moment, I'm very tired. 저는 지금 너무 피곤해요. I is 저는. To be tired, 피곤하다. And very is indicated using the adverb 너무. So very tired, 너무 피곤해요. I am very tired right now. So to say right now in Korean, we use 지금. 저는 지금 너무 피곤해요. Okay? Alright, so this much is clear. If you're talking about now, as in the moment and the present time, we use 지금. Now, let's jump on the next word, and that is 방금. 방금 means just now, or a moment ago, or a minute ago. So basically, 방금 is used when something happened a few seconds or minutes ago. That is in the very recent past. So, if you want to indicate that something happened recently, like in a very recent past, a few seconds ago, then you use 방금 for that. All right? For example, I just arrived at the airport. You want to say that you just arrived just a moment ago, just now, at the airport. 저는 방금 공항에 도착했어요. I is 저는, airport, 공항. To arrive, 도착하다. Past tense, 도착했어요. I just arrived. So, 저는 방금 공항에 도착했어요. To indicate that you just arrived a moment ago or a minute ago or just now, you use 방금. Do you get this? Let's take a look at the next example. I just ate lunch a minute ago. 저는 방금 점심을 먹었어요. I is 저는, lunch, 점심. To eat, 먹다, past tense, 먹었어요. Now you have to say that you had your lunch just a minute ago. For that, you use the word 방금. Okay? 지금 is used to indicate now or at this moment. 방금 is used to indicate something that happened just a moment ago or just now, okay, in a very recent past. All right? Now comes the third word, and that is 이제. 이제. 이제 means from now on or starting now. So basically, it marks a change or transition in time. Okay? What this means is you are doing something else, but from now on, from this very moment, you started doing some other thing. All right? In that case, 이제 is used. When you want to mark a change or transition, you use 이제. Let's look at the example. I will study now. Now here, you want to indicate that till now, you were doing something else. Probably you were watching TV or playing or eating. But now, from this very moment, from now on, you will study. Okay? So you want to indicate the transition. In that case, we use 이제. So in Korean, this is 저는 이제 공부할 거예요. I is 저는, study, 공부하다, future tense 공부할 거예요. And when you have to indicate that you are doing something else and now from this very moment you will start studying, you use 이제. Okay, you get this? Now let's take a look at the next example. From now on, I will exercise in the morning. So what you want to say is that till now, you used to exercise in the evening or at night, or you were not exercising at all. But from now on, or starting now, you are going to exercise in the morning. Okay, you are indicating a transition. 저는 이제 아침에 운동할 거예요. 저는 I, morning, 아침, to exercise, 운동하다. Future tense, 운동할 거예요. Now, if you have to indicate the transition from now on, you use 이제 for that. Okay? Now I hope you get the difference between these three words, 지금, 방금, and 이제. All these three, they basically mean now. But as I said earlier, there is a slight difference in their nuance, in their usage, that makes a lot of effect on your Korean language. Okay? If you use the correct word, then it shows how effective or how efficient your language skill is, right? So I hope you got this. I hope you understood the difference between these three words. And believe me, it's a very important concept. Whether you are a beginner or learning Korean at an intermediate level or even advanced, you should know the difference between these three words that mean now in Korean. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more Korean language videos. Thank you.